shame. This is not a country yet. Give us our country, police. Give us our country. Nigeria is a land that is blessed. Your torture, your bad behavior.
Kí wọ́n tún ètò kọ́kọ́ wọn ní ẹ̀kọ́ yẹn kárí kọ́ lọ ṣe ẹ̀sáàmù yẹn kí wọ́n lè mọ̀ pé tó ń dé ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn. Ìkẹrin tó jẹ jù àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn ń jẹ wọ́n náà. Gbogbo police station wọ́n máa ń rù ní. Kò sí photocopia, kò sí ìkọ̀kọ̀ fún wọn, kò sí wáìfíà, sálárì wọn ò bọ́ sí. Ibi tó ń sùn wọ́n á transfer ọlọ́pàá láti Kàlàbà kó iṣẹ́ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣe ń dẹ́kọ̀ síbi tó máa sùn. Ṣé nìyẹn kò ní fi kọ́ra ṣiṣẹ́? Ìkẹrùn-ún, I need the national emergency number. National emergency number kí wọ́n fún wa kò sí ní àwọn ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n sàsí kó tiẹ̀ pàdé orúkọ yẹn kó pè ní SWAT kó pè ní Síkírù láàrin èmi àti yín. National emergency number á jẹ́ kí èmi àti yín kó lè save nítorí pé tí o bá ń lọ ibi tó ti lè ní agbára àti pe ọlọ́pàá láì ní owó lọ́wọ́ nìyẹn. Ọmọ Dangote ọmọ olówó nìkan ló lè pè kọ́lọ́pàá máa yàbọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wà ìjọba ń lé yín ládùúgbò yìí ẹ̀ ń gbáriwo lè bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wà ẹ̀ẹ̀mọ ẹni tẹ́ máa pè. A dẹ̀ ní àníjọba but national emergency number nọ́mbà mẹ́ta péré lè máa tẹ̀ lórí fóònù yìí. Ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́bá ẹjọ́ wọ́n ń gbé nọ́mbà 80 wọ́n ń gba ilẹ̀kùn mi wọ́n fẹ́ pa mí. Ẹ nílò láti ní owó ẹ nílò láti jẹ́ gbajúmọ̀ ọlọ́pàá dẹ̀ máa dé pẹ̀lú ìbọn wọ́n dẹ̀ máa dáàbò bò yín. Kò ná wọn ní ìkọ̀kan láti ṣe fún wa kọ́ ṣe ìyẹn wọn ò ní lè máa rí assassin ìrọ̀sẹ́ níbodì. Àwọn tó ń jalè máa dínkù gbogbo àbàjẹ́ máa lọlẹ̀. Ìyẹn ni wọ́n pè ní Endsars náà sọ. Tó bá ti fún wa ní àwọn nǹkan yẹn àbùṣebùṣe fi ẹ̀tọ́ wa dùn wá. Àmọ́ ẹ̀tọ́ wa tó fi ń dùn wá yẹn kò kí í ṣe pé à ń lè béèrè. Àmọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n ń tà fún wa òun ní ìbẹ̀rù. Ẹni tó bá béèrè fún ẹ̀tọ́ ẹ̀ láàárọ̀ tó bá dalẹ̀ wọ́n á ní kí SARS lọ mú kọ́pá ọlọ́pàá ń rọ̀bà ni torí kó má bàa béèrè fẹ́tọ́ ẹ̀. Ó ti wá sún àwọn òbí wa débi wípé ó tẹ́ wọn lọ́rùn kan ní ká dá owó fún wa ká sẹ́kù ní orílẹ̀-èdè bàbá wa. Ìràwọ̀ ni bá ti bọ́lẹ̀ o lọ́dọ̀ kọjá èrò. Ní báyìí àwọn ọmọ kọ̀ntínú láti máa demand ṣé ti yẹ yìí. Number 1 kí olórí èdè Nàìjíríà kó pa àṣẹ bó ṣe pàṣẹ lórí kòró wípé ẹnikẹ́ni ọlọ́pàá kí ọlọ́pàá kò gbọ́dọ̀ fi ipá nù èèyàn nínú police station mọ́ àbí kíbíkí. Say no to torture. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì bẹ̀ tí ọlọ́pàá bá fi ọ̀rọ̀ wáyà lẹ́nu wò èyí tí wọ́n máa ń kọ sórí pépà wọ́n paná síbẹ̀ wọ́n kọ statement adájọ́ ẹ̀ka ẹni tí ó ṣẹ̀ àrùn lu ẹ̀wọ̀n wọ́n ti nà lẹ́nu kò lè sọ̀rọ̀ fún court. A ní kí olórí Nàìjíríà kó pàṣẹ ọlọ́pàá ò gbọdọ̀ ṣe interrogation pẹ̀lú ẹnu lẹ́sọ̀ láìsí recorder fídíò àbí ọ́díò. Ibẹ̀ la máa ti mọ̀ bóyá ó dún kòkò mẹ́ni yẹn ìgbà tó ń béèrè ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ àbí wọ́n parọ́ mọ́. Ṣé ti bọ́ báyìí tí wọn bá ti ṣèyẹn fún wa a ní fi títì sílẹ̀. Ọjọ́ assembly iwájú assembly ni mò ń sùn pẹ̀lú aṣọ yìí láti Monday tó kọjá. Orí ilẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ ni mò ń sùn. Ẹni tí wọ́n pa ní Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ níbikíbi aṣọ tí wọ́n fi sí wọ́n òun ló máa wọ̀ títí ayérayé. Àwa táwa láyé àwa náà máa nira wa lára ká lè gbára wa nílé rí o. Gbogbo nǹkan kọ́ ni àdúrà aláti nira wa lára. Ṣé fún wa ẹyẹ fi wá sínú òkùnkùn tí a bá ti gbára wa lọ́wọ́ SARS ó ṣe ọlọ́pàá nìkan o. Ṣé ti yé wa máa gbọ́ wá mi ìfẹ́ aṣọ tí mo wọ̀ yìí àti last week Monday mo ti wọ̀ mi ò tí ì wẹ̀ láti last week Monday iwájú assembly àbí Lẹ́kì ni mò ń sùn lórí ilẹ̀lẹ̀ kí ọ̀kọ́ wá lòun máa pa mí èmi ti kú báyìí. Ẹni tẹ ìdìbò fún l'Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ aṣọ tó fi sí òun ló máa wọ̀ títí ayérayé. Èèyàn kan ló bì èmi wá wọ aṣọ kan bí òwẹ̀ fásẹ̀ kan ẹ wá ní kí n rí ìnira ẹ̀yin tí wọ́n bá dá dúró lu hold up ẹ fi ṣoṣù kẹ́ fi para ìjà gbogbo wa ní. Tó bá ń kọra àbínú bí ẹ fọwọ́ sí orí àyà ẹ kò ṣe báyìí pé èmi lágbájá ọmọ lágbájá nǹkan tí wọ́n ń jà fún yìí kò kọ̀ mí kò kọ̀ dílé mi then we will apologize to you. But all
right, Endsars now. Yeah, we need restructuring, not changing of names. Yes, restructuring. Yes, not changing of names. Yes, we, the youth, wants to see the restructuring. Exactly. We want to know about it. How is it going to go? It's not just coming from the blues bringing a name. You don't go past all that level. That's it. That's why the youth are saying that wherever they are, that's where I am. Yeah, so Endsars, we want to see the restructuring of Nigerian police. Exactly what we want.
End fucking police brutality. End fucking police.
And we moved away and we look at it. We just left and then we reconvened. And God answered them. The people of Nigeria came out and said, and then the message was loud and clear. But I just want to say this to you. Before we end this Endsars protest, we need the governor of this state, of every state, to tell every Nigerian how justice will be served if we are battered and tortured in police stations. The worst brutality happens inside police stations. Police officer will tell you, that means they will beat the hell out of you. The only means of investigation is torture. We don't want it again. Equip the police so that they can investigate intelligently, not wickedly.
What do we want?
Can you begin to oppress us?
Yes, this is
You know why?
We are tired.
Never knew to be there.
okay, live,
So we don't want SARS, police, anybody to attack people here, right? So what we have decided to put in place, are you there? This is a personal alarm for you, for the ladies. Now, hello? Hello? Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè! Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bẹ̀rẹ̀? If they want to address us, please let our representative come here. Can we all come back? They cannot be allowing us to protest and be directing us. If they want to address us, please let them come here. Can we all come back? This is where we are. And I don't want any form of mishap there. Please, everybody, leave that place. Everybody, leave.
Yes. The Nigerian army wearing a khaki, the camel, the pride of the nation. Yes. Killing another Nigerian with the national flag.
Yes.
That is a grave sin.
Murdering our children.
That is a grave sin.
Yes.
If you have any dignity left in you,
yes,
as a Nigerian army, make sure you stand by the masses.
Yes.
Recover. Fight for the dead.
Yes.
Fight for them.
Yes.
They need justice.
We need justice. We need justice.
Yes.
We need peace.
Fight them. We are peaceful.
Yes.
We are not armed.
We are one.
We just want better life.
Yes.
And then they were killing us.
Yes.
They were killing us. I am free. 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 Lẹ́kọ̀ọ́kan náà, a ti sọ fún wọn, tó bá fẹ́ ká kúrò lórí títì. Tó bá ti fi ìyà jẹ wá, òun ni wọ́n gba ẹ̀tọ́ wa ni wọ́n gba òun náà wá. Kí wọ́n stop torture ní police station àti ibikíbi. Kí wọ́n sọ fún wa kí ni ìyà tọ́jú àti ètò yẹ fún ọlọ́pàá tó bá ń tọ́jú èèyàn nínú police station. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì bẹ̀, àwọn ọ̀dọ́ àti ìjẹ́kọ̀ọ́yé wa báyìí. Nígbàgbọ́ kí ààrẹ Muhammadu Buhari kí ó gba ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ adájọ́ kí adájọ́ kò gbọ́dọ̀ gba statement kò gbọ́dọ̀ gba case file láì kì í ṣe pé fídíò evidence. No attack, no attack. All right, wait here.
Yesterday, no be small thing, no be English matter we dey for here. Yesterday, no be small thing. Yesterday, we see the protest ground for our House of Assembly. We just dey, soldiers come, we dey friendly with them, no violence, no nothing. We shut down the place, they come, we jubilate together. But unfortunately, that kind of 00 hour, now we just see police from where them bust out. We don't feel. Them bust out.
Who be that one?
Okay, these people now when I say we go fight, now they tomorrow kill them. Don't be happy with them be.
I swear.
Happy with them.
They bust us.
Police, army, una very stupid. They don't get sense. They don't get sense.
They have this all the street light. They all
Don't catch 3 girls, 2 girls. It's only me escape yesterday. Not 3 of us.
They don't shoot somebody.
What's your name? 3 people.
They killed somebody yesterday.
Where are the bodies? Where are the bodies?
They have taken the body away.
Wọ́n ti pa àwọn èèyàn gan bíbá náà. Wọ́n ti pa èèyàn lánàá. Wọ́n dẹ̀ mú òkú tó yẹn lọ náà.
All right, no problem. Guys, this is Alausa. We are here in Alausa. We are protesting. That is what has been going on. But trust me, the people will win and nothing will happen. Endsars.
Now.
And what?
Endsars now.
And what?
Endsars.
And what?
Endsars.
This is just this is to 8 in the morning. We're good. We're not backing down. A luta continua. Victory Asata. We're gonna
Victory Asata.
We win.
So when they saw me, just like catch that girl, she be criminal, catch her. I'm like, hold on, just speak to start.
In Alausa to see if I can render help to any of our brothers. They've barricaded the assembly area, as you can see. This is the governor's. They blocked it off. Some of them are there. They don't want us to protest again. They don't want us to protest, and they barricaded, and they are there with guns. Okay, let me go straight to. Let me see if I can get to Lekki. Or is anybody that needs help there? We'll just have to stand by our brothers since ambulances are denied. they denied entry. So let's see if anybody is still on the floor and is still alive and needs help, so I can offer the help. There are loads of area boys on the road too. There are too many with cutlass and stuff like that, but to God be the glory. So I really do not understand how to go about this. These are hoodlums, you know. Sorry, I was okay. Oh yeah, now Endsars. Oh yeah, now. So that's the current situation, guys, and I have to be on high alert because I'll go straight to they won't want them to protest. They don't want us to group and air our voice, but mine is that I'm here to speak and air my voice or help whoever. This is just past 7. It's broad daylight. You can't come and be shooting us in broad daylight. Let's see who you are. And that is just the most important thing. And yeah, I can't really just understand the whole idea of I greet you. So those are the people we're fighting for, and they claim they are after us, and they are saying, look, you can see things for yourself. Fear is the only thing that we the citizens don't have problem with ourselves. We only have problem with, of course, if we can understand, basically. It's so sad, you know. It's so sad. But the message is still going to be clear. We have our platforms to express ourselves, and we're going to keep saying it, that this is what we want, and we're going to demand it. We'll demand it the right way. We're non-violent. And let me just see if I can go to Lekki and see if anybody needs medical attention and get them straight to hospital. And then, God willing, we'll survive this and nothing happens, you know. You don't leave your brothers at war or leave them on the war front. You must go back and pick them. Even if you can't pick them now, you must never forget them at the war front. Go there, see for yourself how you can help. So that's the whole point. I might not be able to read your comments so easily. I'm reading some. I'm driving at a low speed. I'm actually on third minute. I'm heading straight. So let me see what is going on there. So let me go and check if I can rescue 1 or 2 persons. To go and see if I can rescue. I get, let me see. Just pray that they don't turn my personal ambulance back.